Today we are going to discuss about Huckel-Mobius method for cycloaddition reactions. Means by applying this Huckel and Mobius method on cycloaddition reaction, we are going to discuss that whether these reactions are possible by thermally or photochemically. So we have already discussed this HM method, that is Huckel-Mobius method, or you can also say perturbation of molecular orbital theory. By using this method, we have already concluded about electrocyclic reactions, whether they are possible or not. So in case of this cycloaddition reaction, so take just example of 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction, and one more we have already discussed, that is 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. Let's see one by one. So in case of 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reactions, the conditions may be, see, if the reactant 2 plus 2 cycloaddition means simply just if we take an example of this ethylene plus ethylene and we are getting this cyclobutane, right? So molecular orbital of one ethylene molecule and second molecule of ethylene molecule having molecular orbitals. See, now if there is a condition, if these two orbitals from lower lobe of this 2 electron system and this 2 orbitals of this lower lobe of 2 electron system, now if they are making a bond with each other as per this, then you can say as just take example of this 2 electron system. If we looking for this electron system only, then two loops from this downward position are going to make a bond with this 2 orbitals. So you can say it is a 2s system because they are adding supraficially, right? And in case of this 2 electron system, you can say these two loops which are present at upper side of the plane are going to attack or going to make a bond with this 2 orbitals. So this system is also supraficial. So now actually this is a 2s plus 2s system. So finally this cycloaddition is 2s plus 2s cycloaddition system. Now in this system we have totally 4 electrons, right? 2 electrons from this system and 2 electrons from this ethylene molecule. So it is a 4 electron system. And as per the judgment we have made in last lectures in case of the electrocyclic reaction was, in case of a Huckel system, right, in case of a Huckel array or Huckel method, when it is aromatic, if there is a 4n plus 2 system, right, 4n plus 2 pi electron system and having a, it will be an aromatic condition, that have already we use this Huckel rule for aromaticity. It is aromatic in case of a thermal reaction, right? The reaction will be possibly thermally and the ground state condition, it's stable. And in case of a 4n, it will be anti-aromatic, right? This is our normal rule for aromaticity that we use already, and it is possible by photochemically, and ground state will be unstable ground state. And the Mobius array or Mobius method will be when the system containing 4n plus 2 pi electrons, and if there is one node, here is a 0 node, we are not talking about node in case of a Huckel method, but if there is a one node present, then the system will be goes by arrays method or Mobius array. So it will be anti-aromatic. Firstly, in case of a Huckel, when 4n plus 2 system, it was aromatic, but if it takes one node, then it will be anti-aromatic, and as it is anti-aromatic, it will be go through photochemical reaction, and again as it is a photochemical reaction, it has unstable ground state. And secondly, in case of a 4n pi electron system with one node, it will be, firstly it is anti-aromatic in case of a Huckel method. In case of Mobius method, it changes to aromatic, right? And as it is aromatic, it will easily go by thermal method and stable ground state. It has stable ground state. Now check about this system. We have 4 electron system and there is a no node because all reactions are taken by supra. So as 4 electron system is here and without node, so it is a anti-aromatic system, right? So write that 4 electron system, no node. You have to mention 0 node. Then it is a Huckel method. As it is a 0 node, it is a Huckel method and it is anti-aromatic. So it is anti-aromatic and allowed by photochemical reaction. So photochemically allowed. photochemically allowed. So this is a conclusion for this method. If there is a suprafacial and suprafacial 4n electron system cycloaddition reaction. Now just check for the another type or another way. Suppose a system containing this one molecular orbital for one ethylene molecule and cycloaddition of the second ethylene molecule. Now the condition is like this. This first orbital from upper side going to attack with this second orbital of second ethylene molecule, and this orbital from upper lower side going to attack from the orbital as this side. So you can say in case of this two electron system and this ethylene system, here the one orbital that is present in one ethylene molecule is attacked from the upper lobe and the second orbital is attacking from the lower lobe. So this is a simply two interfacial system, right? And in case of the second ethylene molecule also, one orbital taking part or making a bond from the upper lobe and second orbital making a bond by the lower lobe. So it is again a interfacial system. So this you can call as a two interfacial plus two interfacial system. But there is a no node because both are having opposite lobes. So you can also say it is a 4n electron system, right? It is a 4n electron system with a zero node. Now you can check here 4n electron system with the zero node. So it is a Huckel method. Just write it is a Huckel method. When there is a zero node, then you don't have to think about it more. Zero node means normal reaction, 4 electron system. If it is there 4 electron system, then it is always Huckel method. And as it is a Huckel method, 4 electron system is always anti-aromatic. So write is anti-aromatic. And anti-aromatic system, I have already said that anti-aromatic system is already allowed by photochemically. So it is photochemically allowed reaction. Okay. So this is the system. If there is a 2s plus 2s system cycloaddition or 2a plus 2a means both are suprafacial or both are intrafacial. But if there is a condition when one is intrafacial and second is a suprafacial, then see the condition will be as per this. Suppose one ethylene molecule orbitals and second ethylene molecule orbitals. Suppose one lobe of this ethylene molecule is making a bond with the upper lobe of this ethylene molecule, and the second lobe of this ethylene molecule is making a bond with this upper lobe of this ethylene molecule. So now you can see in case of this 2s system, sorry, 2 electron system of this ethylene molecule, one orbital from upper side making a bond and second orbital from the downward making a bond. So you can say it is a two interfacial system. But in case of this ethylene molecule, this both orbitals from this ethylene molecule making a bond by one plane only, from one phase only, upper phase, right? This orbital as well as this orbital. So this is a two suprafacial system. Now you can say totally this is a two intrafacial plus two suprafacial. So it is a 2a plus 2s cycloaddition reaction. If this is a condition, then there is a presence of one node. When there is a two intrafacial plus two suprafacial, different positions or different conditions are there, then there is a presence of one node in the system. So you can mention it is a 4 electron system, right? It is a 4 electron system having a one node. Now condition is this. When 4 electron system is there, here 4 electron system is there and presence of one node, then it is a Mobius array. Okay, so write it. It is a Mobius method. It is a Mobius method, or you can mention Mobius array. As in case of a Mobius method, 4 pi electron system having a one node system will be aromatic. If it is a Huckel method, 4 electron system is anti-aromatic, but as it comes with one node, it changes to aromatic. So now it is an aromatic system and thermally allowed reaction. So right here it is aromatic and thermally allowed. Okay, so this is a conclusion for this. If there is a 2s plus 2s in case of cycloaddition, it is photochemically allowed with Huckel method and anti-aromatic system, normal system. If it is 2a plus 2a means both systems are intrafacial, then it is also Huckel method as it is a zero node, and anti-aromatic and photochemical allowed. But if the system is like 2A plus 2S, means it may be as a 2S plus 2A reverse condition, means first system will be attached by suprafacially and second system having an intrafacial mode. Then also the same, one node will be there. So 4 electron system containing one node, the array will be Mobius array or Mobius method, and it will be an aromatic system. As it is aromatic, it is thermally allowed. If the system containing anti-aromatic, then actually it is always allowed by photochemical reaction. If it is aromatic, then it is always allowed by thermal reaction. Just make it note. Okay, this is about Huckel and Mobius method in case of cycloaddition reaction of 2 plus 2 and okay. The remaining point is 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. Let's check about that. In case of 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction will be okay. This is our common reaction, 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. So product is cyclohexene. Now check molecular orbital from this 1,3-butadiene. If I have this molecular orbitals and system containing this, then the possibility is these two orbitals from same phase making a bond. Okay, we have this type of orbitals, and in case of this orbitals, this lower lobe, in case of first talk about this 4 electron system, and this is a 2 electron system. We have 4 electrons from this 1,3-butadiene and 2 electron system from this ethylene. Now 4 electron system of this molecule means 4 orbitals. This frontier orbitals means this last 2 orbitals are making a bond with this 2 electron system. So now as these two last lobes or frontier lobes of this ethylene 1,3-butadiene molecule making a bond by the downward position, means both lobes are at a downward position, this lobe as well as this lobe also making a bond. So it is a 4s system. And in case of this ethylene molecule, this 2 electron system also, this 2 molecular orbitals, both orbitals are making a bond by upward. If I cut this ethylene molecule from this side by horizontally, this upper lobes are making a bond, right? So this is also 2s, right? It is a 2s system. So totally you can call it as a 4s plus 2s. So it is a suprafacial addition. But in the now in case of Huckel Mobius or PMO method, how you can consider it as aromatic, anti-aromatic system or Huckel or Mobius? So it is a 4 plus 2 cycloaddition, means you can say it is a 6 electron system, right? So in case of 6 electron system means 4 plus 2 addition reaction. Here 4 plus 2 addition reaction, as both are going by suprafacial, it is with a 0 node. Okay, so just mention it with a 0 node. Here 6 electron system with 0 node, and normal condition when there is a 0 node, 6 electron system as well, means 4 plus 2 electron system is there. We can call it as a Huckel method, right? Huckel method. And in normal Huckel method, when 4 plus 2 electron system is there with 0 node, it is a aromatic condition. It is aromatic, right? And if it is aromatic, then I have already mentioned, if it is aromatic, then it will possible or it will allowed by thermally, right? So here is already mentioned, we have 4 plus 2 or 6 electron system will be aromatic and thermally allowed. Okay, and the method will be Huckel method. Now the second condition is, if we have system like this 2 frontier orbitals of 1,3-butadiene and this 2 orbitals for ethylene. Now this 4 electron system and 2 electron system, if the reaction is allowed by this manner, if these two lobes are making a bond and the reaction is taking place by these two lobes, here I am drawing this, suppose this. Now you can see here, see, in case of this 4 electron system, 2 lobes are taking part in bonding by opposite side, means this is a downward lobe, this lobe is a downward position and this lobe is an upward position. In case of 4 electron system, you can easily say that this is an intrafacial addition, right? This one is an intrafacial addition. But in case of this ethylene molecule, both lobes are taking part from the upper side, so it is a suprafacial addition. Now if the condition is like this, 4a plus 2s, it may be opposite condition, In case of 4 electron system, if both lobes are taking part from the same side and ethylene molecule having 2 lobes from the opposite side, then the condition will be 4s plus 2a. Okay, then if there is such condition, when there is one intrafacial and one suprafacial, then must be presence of one node. So if 4 plus 2 electron system means 6 electron system is we have 6 electron system containing a one node, right? We have one node now, one node. Now the condition will be actually equally opposite. So 6 electron system having one node, it will be not more aromatic. It will be changes to, see there is a node, then it changes from Huckel to Mobius. So this is a Mobius method or Mobius array. So in case of a Mobius method, and aromatic will changes to anti-aromatic. So it will be anti-aromatic. For confirmation, you can check here. We have this 4n plus 2 electron system, okay, and having a Mobius array. 4n plus 2 means 6 electron system. So Mobius array and having a one node, it will be anti-aromatic, and as it is anti-aromatic, the system will be allowed, or the reaction will be allowed by photochemical manner or photochemically. Okay, so just right here, the reaction will finally allowed by photochemically allowed reaction. So this is the actual conclusion about PMO method or perturbation of molecular orbital theory. In case of this 2 plus 2 cycloaddition or 4 plus 2 cycloaddition, suprafacial addition is there or intrafacial addition is there, then it is takes place by mostly Huckel method. If there is a node in the system, then it takes place by Mobius array or Mobius method, and having a one node system, it will be anti-aromatic or aromatic, depends upon the electron system we are using, that is 4 plus 2 electron system or whether it is 4n electron system. So it is, if it is a 4 plus 2 electron system having a 0 node, it is a Huckel method, and 4n electron system having a 0 node means no node, then it is a Huckel method, aromatic, anti-aromatic. That is our normal method that we use. And if there is a change with only one node, then system changes to Mobius array. So aromatic will changes to anti-aromatic and anti-aromatic will changes to aromatic, and as per that, if it is anti-aromatic, system will goes by photochemically. If it is aromatic, then simply it goes by thermally. So in case of a cycloaddition reaction, we discuss this 2 plus 2 and 4 plus 2 cycloaddition method. This is enough for this lecture. Thank you.